Hello guys, I am going to show you how to fix Snapchat camera flash not working. To fix your Snapchat camera flash, tap and hold Snapchat application. Now tap on the icon. Scroll down little bit. You can see here an options storage. Click on storage and click on clear data and click on delete. Remember that if you clear your app data, you will need to log in again. After click on delete, go back to your home screen and now open your Play Store. Click on search. Type here Snapchat. Update your Snapchat application if it is available to update. Now open your Snapchat application and you can see here Snapchat camera flash icon work perfectly. Thanks for watching this video. If you find this video helpful for you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.